Hello guys, my name is Boy-Jaival and welcome to my YouTube channel Code. So guys, today's video is very much interesting and having some important things to do. So guys, today in this video, I would like to tell you that Microsoft has successfully released its MS Office 2021 and now it's ready to use. And guys, I would like to tell you that this office is specially designed for Windows 11 and now it's loaded with many new features. So guys, you can use this office in Windows 10, 8 and 7. बट कहते हैं ना गाइस, असली मजा जिस चीज के लिए बनी है उसमें आता है. तो गाइस, अगर आप ये ऑफिस इफ यू ट्राई दिस ऑफिस ऑन विंडोज 11 देन यू विल get more new features and you will find some differences in Windows 10 MS Office 2021 and Windows 11 MS Office 2021. So guys, now let's start with our video. I will tell you that how you can download this MS Office 2021 for free, and I will also tell you to activate it in the next video. So now let's start with our video. But before getting started, I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon and hit the like button to stay notified about my latest videos. So now let's start with our video. So guys, now let's start with our video. So guys, I would like to tell you that I have not installed any MS Office. You can see that this one is the pre-installed office that comes installed when we install the Windows, and this is a paid one. But I will tell you that how you can just use this MS Office 2021 for free and activate it for lifetime. So guys, to download and install the MS Office, we need its ISO file first. From that we will get the setup file. So now to download the ISO file, just open your Google Chrome web browser or any web browser you like. So now just search here MS Office 2021 IDOC. So guys, the keywords which I am searching, they are also been flashed to your screen, so you can just see them with ease. So now just search these keywords, MS Office 2021 IDOC. So guys, I don't think that this software or anything will provide harm to your PC or laptop. Don't think that. And this is the official Microsoft link. You can see that Office 2020 or direct download links, Microsoft idoc.net. You can see that this is a genuine website and will not cause any harm to your PC or laptop. So guys, now you can see that many links are available here. You can see that you can just download from these links according to a language. You can see that Arabic language is here, English is here, German language is here, and many more languages are here. You can download it according to a languages. So I would like to download in English version. You can see that. And thus I would like to recommend that you should download the Office 2021 Professional Plus. So this is the best version and provides with all the features. So just click on the link and just start your download. And guys, I would like to recommend you that you should use a download manager for this. It will just speed up your download process and just perform all this operation very fast. And guys, you need of at least 5 GB internet speed. And if you are using broadband, then it's very good. And if you are using mobile internet, then you should check your plans that which plans are providing this much internet space. So guys, I will now meet you when this download process gets completed. So guys, now the ISO file is now downloaded, and you can see that this is the image of the ISO file. You can see that after downloading it will look like this. So if you are using Windows 10 or 11, you have to just double click on it, and all the necessary things are located here. So now if you are using Windows 7, you need a software to open this ISO file. So for this, just open your browser and search here Power ISO. Just search here Power ISO, and all the keywords are being flashed to your screen, and you have to just open this first link, and all the links are also given in the description box. You can just directly jump to these links from the description box. So now you can see that there are two system types. You have to just search by your own. Now let me tell you that first open this PC. You can see that I opened it. right click on this PC and just open its properties. You can see that in Windows 11 only 64-bit is available, and if here it is written x86 or 32-bit, you have to download this. You have to download this one, and if here it is written 64-bit operating system, then you have to download this one. So I will now download this one. And guys, thus it is a software of 4 MB. You have to just download it. And guys, now just click on open folder from your browser, and guys, just double click on it, on the setup file, and it will ask for permission. Just give the permission, yes. And guys, don't do this on Windows 10 or 11. This is only for Windows 7 users. So guys, now the setup is complete. Just click on next, and here just click on select all, and just check it auto by check this all options, and just close it. And now the browser will pop up. Just close it. And now you can see that all the ISO that ISO file you downloaded, it is now in the icon of that software Power ISO. So now you have to just right click on this ISO file and just click on properties, and now in the open switch you have to change it and change it to Power ISO. I am now doing it Windows Explorer because I am on Windows 11 and it has an inbuilt feature. So now just open it with the help of the software, and now just double click on the setup file. So now here it will take some time to open, and it will also ask for permission. Just give the permission, yes. Just close everything, and it will use less memory, and the setup file will boot up more faster. And here it will take some time. Just give it time. Don't launch it again and again, otherwise it can get crashed. So guys, now you can see that the loading is completed, and now here it is telling that Office is installing in the background. Click here for status. So now you can see that 3%, and now the setup file is now installing the MS Office 2020. So guys, here it will take some time to install the MS Office, and I will meet you when this Office gets installed. So guys, now you can see that the MS Office 2021 is now successfully installed, and now this is not a paid version, and this is a free version. And I will also tell you that how you can activate it for life. So now just let's close it, and now we will check that is this Office now installed or not. So now just open your start, and now you can see that all the apps are now located here. PowerPoint, Word. You can see that recently they are now added. Just open. Let's open now PowerPoint. You can see that it's now opening. Now here it will take some time as we are opening it first time, and now it is telling to give product key, but we will activate it in the next video. So now the updates are been rolled out over here. Here you have to wait for some time. So you have to just accept the license agreement, and now we can continue. You have to just select here no, and now just let me open a blank presentation, and now you can see that we will activate this MS Office in the next video. You can see that this is the genuine MS Office 2020. So that's all in this video, guys. This video's second part will come soon as possible. So now let me show you my website. You can see that this is my website, and this is the home page of my website, and my website name is appkhazana.com. Here you can get latest apps, games and web apps made by me. And recently I have also created an Android web page, and I have posted here two apps. You can see that first is Paint and second is Video Chat. You can see that these are for basic video calls and chat. And the second page is of web app. These are can directly run in your web browser. So now you can see that item list creator is there, math game, stopwatch, analog clock, etc. You can see it from my website. The link is in the description box. And these are the PC apps. You can see that these need to be downloaded and installed in your PC. You can see that calculator app is there, and with the images you can see the music player, and then the dictionary app, screenshot taker, alarm clock, photo editor, PDF reader, and these are all the apps provided here. And now let's see the games. You can see that these are the games. First is Flappy Bird game, Fruit Search game. You can see that you can just check it. I will give you the link in the description. And Snake game, and the Ludo game, and the chess game. So these are some games, you can check it over here. So that's all in this video, guys. I will meet you in the second part of this video. Goodbye.